Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 13 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings and then navigate to About Phone. And here, by scrolling down, you'll find Factory Reset at the bottom, and here you can select Erase All Data. This will give you a quick little message right here that basically all the data will be deleted. Now it also gives you the option to back up here, though keep in mind this is being backed up to the Xiaomi cloud. So as an example, hypothetical situation, if you want to sell this device and you're backing it up to basically preserve all the data that is on it, so you can restore it onto a new device that, for instance, won't be a Xiaomi phone, then you would not be able to restore from this backup that you have created using this method. So it might be more beneficial to back it up just manually onto your computer or some USB storage or whatever you want, just not using this, because the Xiaomi cloud obviously limits you to just Xiaomi devices to be able to restore this to. Now, that being said, you don't need to back up your device at all. If you don't want to, you can select Factory Reset, and it asks us if you want to clear eSIM data. If you use eSIM, you can do that, especially if you're obviously selling the device and got a new one, then probably go through this. If you're not getting rid of the device and you just want to maybe format it so it works better, then probably keep it. Now I'm going to select Clear. Now Xiaomi considers their user base to be below average, I guess, in terms of mental capacities, as they do give you a timer and a message that Factory Reset removes everything, and they do that 3 times. So number 1, by factory resetting at the start, you are notified, then the message first one, then the second one, which once the timer runs out, you can finally click on OK, which will begin factory resetting it. So that's 20 seconds of your life that you will never get back just by needing to wait. Now, once you select on that OK, it's going to begin factory resetting a device, and this process will take a couple minutes to finish up, so just be patient. Once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.